Now 18 is problem related to sleep, urinating while sleeping, grating teeth while sleeping, and frequent micturition problem. So this is all problem about the children, and even excessive urination is a right side problem. So if there is excessive urination, so we can clear our right side. And in children, as Dr. Naina has very well said, if the mother clears uh, herself, the children will automatically clear their chakra. So for the mother, they should take care of their children and should clear themselves subtle system. Okay, urinating, excessive urinating and urination during sleep is all due to right side problem. Children bedwetting, it is all called bedwetting due to bladder near Muladhar, and so it is better to clear Muladhar and Swadhisthana. So that will stop. Okay. Grating teeth while sleeping. It is a left side problem, bacterial disease. Yeah, this is a sleep related movement disorder due to pinworm and tapeworm and rotworm in your stomach. When the children have these worms, then they get this grating of teeth. Frequent micturition problem. So certain neurology, this is a certain neurological condition due to kidney or ureter problem, urinary bladder, prostate gland, anxiety, clear Swadhisthana Muladhara chakra may be due to mother having anxiety disorder, etc. Clear herself, the children will be automatically will be clear. So it is better for the children, mother should clear themselves. Thank you, Jai. Next,
Myself, Dr. Bandekar, Nabi and stomach related problem. Nabi and stomach related problem. How to clear, how to cure left Nabi problem. Left Nabi, you have to take candle on left Nabi as well as left void with the 10 names of Guru, that is primordial masters, on left void, because left void's pressure goes to your left nabi and you have left nabi catches, and husband wife relation should be affecting your left nabi. So your relation also, you have to maintain your relations, husband wife relationship. Okay, then stomach ache. If there is a stomach ache, then you have to take candle on your left void as well as take Adiguru Dattatraya's names in foot soap water, and take hot water, 1 cup of hot water, and put ajwain in your mouth and swallow that ajwain with hot water. Then you will get relief from stomach ache. Then indigestion may also in indigestion, if there is a loose motions, so you have to take Adiguru Dattatraya's names on stomach, on void, as well as candling on left void, and you have to clear your left channel also for indigestion. But if there is a vomit, then vomiting is a right side problem. So you have to put ice on liver and clear your and cool down your um, right channel. Ice on right swadhisthana, liver, and also um, right agya. Gases problem in the stomach because of having so much carbohydrates. So gases form, and I told you before also. So you should not take more carbohydrates, but your diet should be balanced. Proteins and carbohydrate should be balanced in your diet. Even if you have gases problem, you have to give ajwain camphor treatment to your left void also. Hot center nabhi. If there is a hot center nabhi, so you have to drink more water, then lemon juice, then coconut water, and kokum juice, lemon juice, kokum juice, and radish leaves water. You have to boil radish leaves in water with candy sugar and drink it. So it will help you for your hot nabi. And take Vishnu's names. Lakshmi, 10 names of Lakshmi, 21 names of Vishnu on center nabi. Okay. So next category.
So, Jai Mataji, it is a body temperature problem. When we are doing regular meditation, regular food soak, we can avoid the food soak for any reason. If it is left-sided, right-sided, we can't give the excuse because Sri Mataji said someone that if you are left-sided, don't use water. But it is when it is the extreme case, then Sri Mataji suggests that particular person for that treatment. But in general, we have to do the regular food soak, whether we are left-sided or right-sided. We have to have the morning meditation. It is compulsory meditation. Mataji says even second of meditation, the connection, really changing the whole system. So try to go for the morning meditation. Don't try to avoid the morning meditation. We are generally giving the excuses for the morning meditation. We can't get up in the morning. Our timing is so late and we slept at night so late. Getting up is very hard. Whatever the excuses that is actually affecting the whole body system regarding these temperatures. So better whenever we get up, that is our morning meditation time, take it as a discipline. And whenever we get up, we have to meditate how much time we have, the 5 minutes, 10 minutes, even 1 second. Mataji already blessed and give the promise that even the second of our connection is actually makes the change. So for that, every day we have to grab it because every day, 24 hours, we are doing so many things in a day-to-day life. And that is very important. The food soaking is again very important. We don't have to find the excuses that it is late night, whether after 11 it is recommended or not. So many excuses that are coming to us that it is in the afternoon, 12 o'clock. Oh, can we do the food soak or not? Don't find any time excuse. Wherever you get the time, just set in the food soak water. One time is not enough generally because the IT people who are working with the brains and continuously in front of computer or gadget needs more cooling techniques to use to put the ice pack and food soaks, treatment food soaks. The IT people are spending nearly 12 hours outside, and it is very difficult to find the time to relax. And that is also one of the excuses where we are not getting time for the food soap or morning meditation. But if you get admitted in the hospital for big reason of physical ailments, you have to forget about this job and things, and you have to admit and we have to spend the money. We have to go for the antibiotics against the life, and everything, it is all lost. So better to, this is the wisdom we have to use, that going for the all that loss, we have to find some 5 minutes, 10 minutes time for the morning meditation. The body temperature, we are, it is all, okay, excuse me. The problems we discussed already before, that we are getting might be diarrhea, constipation, acidity, or gases, or angina, or heart problem. Everything is the left and the right. So we have to go for the balancing. Whether we are not getting time, just mechanically, if we are doing, keeping the hands, Mataji says that all elements, 5 elements, are so sensitive, and waiting for you to just for the indication that they are just doing the work for us. We are so precious, so important for the 5 elements, that when we show our right hand or both hands towards Mother Earth, Mother understands what to absorb and started sucking without any affirmation, without any request. It started to happening. The same thing with the water element, it is happening, that water sucks all the problems in our body, all the chakras and all the chakras. Automatically we get that thermal balance. There are some recommendations Srimataji is giving us, that when it is right side heat, we are using the left hand towards the sky. But sometimes the left side also get heated up. How we come to know that when we clear with the Mother Earth, it doesn't make any difference in our left hand. We are not feeling any vibrations. That time we have to keep our right hand towards the sky, and where take out the excess heat or the heat from the left channel, and get the, if you can do it in the foot soap, then it will be all right, because anyways we are doing the balancing the foot soap, so that we can get the good meditation after that. We can do the both the foot soaking, the feet in the water. First, we raise our left hand to clear our right channel. And after 6 minutes, we can raise our right hand towards the sky and to clear the left channel. And then we can keep both hands towards Mother Earth, and we can spend 1 2 minutes, and we can rinse our feet and get the meditation. It will help to balance the temperature. It is the much sweating in the summer and cold hand and feet in the winter. It all get covered in this. When we are in the center, when we are in the balanced state, we can automatically get better with this excessive sweating. And if there is a cold hands, we can use all the precautionary measures to warm the things. But when we are doing the balancing, automatically this thermal changes will come into the balance state. Thank you, Shimad. Next slide, please.
Yes. This is problems related to left side. Too much left side. If you feel too much left side, then you have to do matka treatment. Take 7 lemons, 7 chilies, but in Europe, you will get that lemon means this much big. So you can take lime. So 7 lime, 7 chilies, put it in water, and a little bit vibrated kumkum, and pray to Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, whatever negativity is within me, so please absorb in this matka treatment and give me balanced state. And put that matka near your head. If you are sleeping on the bed, then put under the bed wherever your head is there. So below your head, below the bed, you put that matka. And at night before sleep, you take bandhan, open the matka, and and when you will wake up next morning, so take proper bandhan and close it. So it is for 7 days. 8th day you have to discard it. And you can discard it in public garbage also, but before that you have to give bandhan. Then if there is too much left side, you can take Gayatri mantra. Gayatri mantra is actually right Surya mantra, right sided. So you will get Surya balanced state. If you say Gayatri mantra, Om Bhu Bhusha, so that Gayatri mantra, you will get it in mantra book. You recite it for 3 times on your left channel, then it will help you. Matka treatment, Gayatri mantra, as well as Ajwain camphor to your left channel with negativity destroying mantra. And you can take Mahakali's names also on left channel. So Mahakali is the killer of demons. So she will help you. Black magic also from family members. Black magic, we should not afraid about black magic because it never affect us. But when we are imbalanced, then that black magic affect you. So you have to do shubit. If you know the person who is doing black magic on you, so write down his name or her name in circle and do shubit for that person. All the black magic coming on my spiritual ascent from so and so person. Okay, do shubit. And even matka treatment also help you if to take out black magic. Effect of black magic. Then negativity moving from left side and moving to right side. So if you feel your negativity is moving left to right and right to left, so first you have to do clear your left channel with fire treatment, and thereafter immediately you can take put soap water and clear your right channel. Okay, but sometimes you feel the swadhisthana negative. If you clear your left swadhisthana, you feel nabhi, and if you are clearing your left nabhi, you feel right swadhisthana again. So you have to take 8 with candle. So 8 figure you have to bind the left nabhi and left swadhisthana. So it will not move anywhere, and it will go away. Okay, so suffering from catches that return. Suffering from catches that return means what? I think your attention is very poor. If your attention is poor and you put your attention someone else, so you feel catches. So you should not divert your attention to any other person, but your attention should be on Sastrara. Okay. But sometimes what happened, we go in collectivity, and when we start from home, we were very clear. And if entered the collective program, you feel some catches, sometimes hard, sometimes headache. So it is not yours. You have to pray to Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, when I start from home, I was very fine. And now I feel these sketches. Maybe somebody's attention on me. So please take that person's attention at your divine lotus feet and free me from this catch. Then that catch will, within second, it will go away. Okay. But you don't think this is I start from home and I was very fine, and immediately I coming in collectivity, and my catches I feel. So sometimes those catches were not your catches, but that catches from any other person's. Okay. So you have to pray like that. Shrimataji, please clear that person and take his attention at your divine lotus feet, and take out this catch. So that catch will go away. Okay. Lep Swadhisthana. Lep Swadhisthana is a pure desire place. So we have to put our right hand on Lep Swadhisthana and pray to Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, whatever impurity within me, impure desires within me, please destroy it. Give me pure desire. Please bless me with pure desire. And say the mantra, Om Tvameva Sakshat, Shri Mahakali, Bhadrakali, Kali Kalaki Sakshat, Shri Adishakti Mataji, Shri Nirmala Deve Namo Namaha. Then the negativity destroying mantra, Sarva Shatru Mardini Sakshat, then Sarva Badha Vinashini, and all that negativity destroying mantra on Lep Swadhisthana with fire treatment, maybe ajwain camphor or candle. Okay, but not in foot soap water. Without taking water, you do that. In back agya also, sometimes there is a possession and you feel lep swadhisthana and back agya simultaneously, because it is the combination. Back agya, there is Bhairava, and lep swadhisthana, it is a Mahakali. So Mahakali and Bhairava, that is the connection. And that's why if any possession is there, you feel left swadhisthana and back agya. So first you have to put matka treatment. Then on back agya, take 21 names of Bhairava with candle. Even back agya, you can take candle with Mahaganesha Bija mantra. And ladies should not spread their hair, but if the hair are long, then they have to tie it with pin up it, okay, and go out, because spreading hair negativity always attack on your back agya. So back agya, you can take candle with Mahaganesha Bija mantra, then 21 names of Bhairava, and take rising sun rays on your back agya, as well as for back agya, matka treatment, and maybe sometimes 3 coconut treatments. 3 coconut treatments means 1 coconut for 1 day. So you have to pray to Shri Mataji, if something coming from some negativities are there in my back agya. So sometimes there is a back agya and epileptical attack also is there. So it is from false guru. Okay, so you have to take Adi Ekadasha Rudra on your Agya Chakra, as well as put coconut towards your near your head whenever you sleep night, and just uh, give kumkum dot on the three eyes of the coconut, and that eyes towards the Sahasrara, and keep it near your head at night, and pray to Shimataji, take bandhan, pray to Shimataji, please absorb all the negativities within me in this coconut, and go to sleep. And second day, early morning, whenever you wake up for meditation, give bandhan to that coconut, fold it in paper, and put it in public garbage. Okay? But you should not leave that coconut long time in your house, because coconut is very expert to return the bada. Okay. I think we will go for next category.
Problem related to chakras on the right side. See, right heart treatment for clearing, right Vishuddhi treatment for clearing, right Swadhisthana, deficit of attention, how to improve attention. This is always right side clearance. So, right side clearance is very well said. Uh, it's a, you have to use the Pingala Nadi and Sun channel. You say Hanuman Chalisa while doing foot soak. Okay, use cold or ice water while doing foot soak. Do to double foot soak you can do. Back you can walk on barefooted on the Mother Earth, saying Ganesha Taravshisha. So it's a right side clearance. So right heart is cleared when you take Devi Kavat and Dam Kavat and Hanuman Chalisa while doing foot soak. Okay, when sometime when right heart is catching, you have to clear your central heart also. So you can clear your central heart, Agya Chakra. Agya Chakra you can clear with ice pack, and this is how you can clear with the left hand to the sky, right hand to our mother photograph. You can say Ganesha Sarkisham or Hanuman Chalisa while doing foot soak. The right card, you can place your left hand on your right card. You can say Shri Rama's name, and you can say Ram Kavach. That will clear your right card. It is all due to right card comes when you have got no good relation with your husband, or there is a problem with your father and son problem. So that is why it is catching. And sometimes the doctor has already told you asthma attack comes only when there is a your right heart is catching. So we have already told you how to clear your right heart, and you can clear in the same way. Right Vishuddhi treatment for clearance. So right Vishuddhi is all due to emotional aggression. Sometimes you react very abruptly. So sometimes you are arrogant. Huh? So that is why this problem comes. So Shri Mataji, your responsibility. Sometimes you uh, this you feel that you are when your right heart is catching, you can also catch your right Vishuddhi. So you are to be sweet in your voice. You are to be sweet in your talking with everybody. So, so when you say, Mother, please give me witness state, you can take the mantra of Shri Rukmani Vittal here. Sometimes when your right Vishuddhi is catching, you can also feel on the right left Vishuddhi. So you can clear your left Vishuddhi, that clears the both. Because when you are very reactive, you feel very uh, guilty sometimes. Why you are reacted? Then your left Vishuddhi come. So you clear both Vishuddhi, say Allah Akbar, okay, and you can drink this butter, ghee in the hot water. That way it will clear your right Vishuddhi. Right Swadhisthana is a, because this right side is a right Swadhisthana, your is a all due is a, your attention. When your attention is not proper, you can't enjoy the spirit. So it is very important your attention should be cool down. You can put ice pack on your right Swadhisthana, and even I told you while saying for high blood sugar. So this is the same treatment you can give it to. You can take the mantra of Hazrat Ali Fatima Bi six times. It has got 6 petals, and pray to Mother, please make my attention steady on your lotus feet. When your attention is steady, then you can enjoy the spirit. So it is very important. Clear your right side. The already we have repeated 2-3 times. So this is the same repetition. Thank you. Jai Shri Mataji.